Well, it's the last day of the new year, but New Year's Eve in India may not go as planned for many. Whether it's your midnight party essentials, groceries, or that last-minute delivery, prepare for possible chaos. Because this New Year's Eve, gig workers from India's biggest delivery platforms, so think Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, Zepto, Amazon and Flipkart, are preparing for a nationwide strike today. As the year's busiest sales day, the strike threatens to derail customer plans and severely impact retailers who rely on last-minute delivery to hit their year-end revenue targets. This strike, called by the Telangana Gig and Platform Workers Union and the Indian Federation of App-Based Transport Workers, is quickly gaining ground with regional support from Delhi NCR, Maharashtra, Karnataka, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. My colleagues are tracking the impact that Delhi NCR and Mumbai is feeling at the moment. Let's quickly get in an update from Tejashree Purandare and Sujata, who join us this morning. Tejashree, beginning with you, is the strike already affecting deliveries in key cities like Delhi NCR, Mumbai and Bengaluru this morning?
Well, absolutely. I can just open one of the app and just check that how much time it is showing for delivery. So as of now, it is showing 18 minutes for the delivery here from where we are reporting right now. Let me tell you that we are reporting from one of the very busiest market of the central Delhi. That is the Bengali market. As of now, the shops are opening. But, till morning time, we see that it is Sunday. And on a Sunday morning, generally these shops, if you can show these shops as well, Arunji. So these shops, are generally crowded by the gig workers because there are a number of people who order the morning breakfast or in fact for that matter some kind of necessary stuff from these shops. But today seems like the service definitely will be affected for the manner in which the protests have been asked for, because we see that yesterday in fact the gig workers have also written to Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia highlighting their problems, and in fact in that particular letter they also highlighted the problem of the time limit in which they have to deliver as soon as possible, and that is why they have demanded a time window of 10 to 20 minutes. Need to be seen that what happens today, as today is the last day of the year. Definitely the demands will be high, but again how much it will be impacting, but how much to the extent we'll have been watching it today. Back to you.
Tejashree, we'll continue to track the impact with you. Sujata is with us as well. Sujata, we are given to understand that the heart of the protest, the gig workers are demanding fair wages, insurance and protection from exploitative algorithms. Take us through all the core demands of the striking workers. And so far, have the companies issued any sort of contingency plans or official responses?
Well, absolutely. And to start with, we know that there are several of these demands that all of these delivery unions have put forward. And the first, like Tejashree mentioned, that the 10-minute delivery window, that is the biggest problem that all of these delivery partners face, because they have to deliver the order within a time frame of 10 minutes. And if they don't do so, then all of the commission that they earn, there are penalties that are usually charged. Now, before I take you forward, let me show around the place where I am. This is a Blinkit godown, and all of the crowd that you see there, they are delivery partners. While we came here and we tried speaking to them, the manager from the store, they denied talking, as well as, they also warned and threatened these gig workers that they shouldn't speak, and if they speak, then their IDs will be suspended, through which they are able to deliver the app. And even now they are being told to not deliver. आप डिलीवरी वाले हैं यहाँ पे? आपको दिक्कत होती है डिलीवरी में? नहीं होती है. आप मैनेजर हैं, आप इन्हें क्या बोल रहे हैं बात नहीं करने के लिए? आप लाइव है टीवी पे, तो आप उस हिसाब से बोलिए. नहीं बोलना है, इन्हें आपको बोला गया है. So here you see that these people, they are not ready to speak, and this is the problem. They are screaming, but yet they have got no voice because they are being warned to not speak. And there are several such demands that all of these gig workers are expecting to be fulfilled. Either their strike will continue to go on. Back to you.
Sujata, we'll also continue to track the impact with you. Thanks so much for joining us with that update from Mumbai this morning.